In this demo, I'll show you how InstaView allows you to see what your waveform really looks like at your device under test. And you do this on the AFG31000 without the need for an extra oscilloscope. In this setup, I've got the AFG31000 generating a simple square wave on channel 1, which is verified by the oscilloscope. At this point, we have not enabled InstaView. So let's see what happens if we change the impedance on the scope from 50 ohms to 1 megohm. You'll see the amplitude changes on the scope along with the impedance. But the AFG isn't showing any change in the waveform because we haven't activated InstaView. And if we connect a demo board, you'll see that now even the waveform shape changes. But the AFG is still showing a perfect square wave. So now let's set up InstaView. Pressing the button on the front panel will bring up the setting window. First, let's calibrate the propagation delay on this cable. I'll press Run and follow the instructions to connect the BNC cable between the output and trigger in. Then, I'll press OK, and in a few seconds the AFG will automatically measure the delay on the cable. Now I click the checkbox to activate InstaView on channel 1 and connect the cable to channel 1 of the scope. Let's see what happens when I repeat the same steps as previously. First, I'll change the impedance from 50 ohms to 1 megohm on the scope. Now you can see the waveform also changes on the AFG. The AFG is giving us a real representation of the waveform reaching the device. Let's connect the demo board and you'll see the waveform change on the AFG31000. So with InstaView, you can have complete confidence that what you're seeing on your AFG31000 is the actual waveform reaching your device under test.